Food down here smells amazing. Really nice. Oh, this would have been cool to eat. Might have to come back here another day. Hello. Right, so the mid-level escalator is just over there. We're going on that shortly. I'll get the 360 camera out on there. And this is the building I've come to look at. Again, I forgot its name. I'll put the name up on the screen. So there we go, it's called the Centre and it's 99 Queens Road Central. Nice gardens. Lovely flowers. Very well kept. It looks like there's some Christmas exhibition or walkthrough going off. Not sure which way I need to go, whether I go in this way or in there. Right, let's have a quick look around here. And then I'll go inside, have a look at the starry Christmas decorations. Right, so we're going to check the Christmas decks out now, and then the mid-level escalator. Some shops up here. I'm not sure if this is the way to get to the escalators. I'm sure I can get down if not. Yeah, so I couldn't get out at the top there. I'll just come back and I'll have to have a little look around inside anyway. Right, so I think the mid-level escalators are up here. Can't see any signs, but I'm pretty sure this is it. Like I said before, this is the longest outdoor covered escalator in the world, or series of escalators. I think there's a few. So we've come downhill from the hotel and now we're going uphill. So in the morning before 10, the escalator runs downhill, allowing people to get to work. And then after 10 it changes direction and goes uphill. Big brother is watching you. Oh, we're going down now. Get past this guy. We serve Guinness there. Staunton's. See if we're still recording. Yes, we are. Crikey, it just keeps going. Warming up. That must be it then. World's longest undercover escalator complete. Upper Central. I think time to find my way back to the hotel.